Hey guys, in this video I want to show you how to apply a shader to a material in Cave. I have written a small water shader and will apply it to a plane. First, let's delete the default cube and plane. Then we are going to import a water texture. I have this one from the internet, just Google for one. Then we need to import a plane mesh with more vertices, because the default plane does not have enough vertices for the shader to work with. Now we will create a new material and add the water texture we have imported earlier to it. Let's rename it to Water Mat. The next step is to create a new shader program. Let's rename it to Water Shader. Now we have to add the shader to the water material. And now we can edit the shader. In this video, we will replace the default vertex shader with the custom water shader I have written. Finally, the last thing we have to do is to add the material to the plane mesh. And as you can see, the shader is already doing its thing. At the top of the shader program, I have created 4 variables where you can adjust some settings to tweak the shader to your likings. After each change, don't forget to recompile the shader. And that's it. This is how you can add shaders to materials in Cave. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful. See you in the next video.